Welcome to this tutorial on how to get your MetaTrader 5 login details on Exness. First, you will need to log into your Exness account on their official website. If you do not already have an account, you can easily create one by selecting the sign up option and following the prompts. Make sure to provide accurate information throughout the registration process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account section in your account dashboard. Here, you will find a list of your trading accounts. Look for the MetaTrader 5 account that you wish to access. To find your login details, click on the account you want, and you will see options for viewing your login information, including the account number and password. If you need to retrieve your password or if you have forgotten it, there should be an option to reset it. Follow the instructions provided to reset your MetaTrader 5 password. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages and follow the links provided to complete the process. After you have your login details, open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Enter the account number and password in the required fields to connect to your Exness trading account. Once logged in, you will be able to access the platform's features, including charts, trading tools, and more. You are now ready to start trading.